hello. It is a Sunday reset. I know it's later in the afternoon. I woke up just trying to like chill. But today I'm not doing no swimming today. However, my room is atrocious. A mess. And so I'm doing a deep clean. Yeah, I'm gonna just clean my room. I'm not gonna do like a. Oh my god. Okay, so I tried to use my new stand, but it broke. So I'm gonna have to return it to Amazon. But yeah, we're gonna just clean my sheets. We're gonna not do like my whole bedding, but we're gonna clean my sheets. And yeah, that's that. I do need to wash my sheets, so I'm horrible with doing that. I'm taking Sundays off. I work tomorrow. I have a shift tomorrow, and then I'm gonna practice tomorrow as well with my lifeguarding test that I have on the 20th. I know I have a lot of fucking stuffed animals. Hey, at least it's not drugs, you know. So, at least it's not that. So yeah, at least I'm collecting stuffed animals and not drugs, right? So just welcome. Oh, I'm gonna be talking too, but. Let's wash this. I did start my Animal Crossing Island over because I was just in the mood for something different. But I really want to talk about just with my life and everything right now. I am manifesting that I am going to move this year. I'm going to move into my own apartment. I already found a place online that I really like, and it's close to work and everything. And so like right now, my main thing is that I need to start my contract. I should have about at least a month, so maybe March. I don't have that long to go. I'm still 55 to 60 people ahead of me. So that, give or take, is a month. And so I think that I'm still studying project management. That's not my major. My major is actually supply chain and operation management. But it will help me with, my cruise stuff. I also found a marine time school that I want to do as well too. That will help me into, with being on Pride of America. And, just with the daily drills and stuff that we have to do on that part and everything. But I'm going to have to fucking do their basic training again. And that is just, I guess I know what to expect. So I can't really complain that it sucks. And then when I'm on board, my job duty will be the firefighting position that I want to do. And I already know all of this is because I went through all the training last year. And so, like, I kind of know an idea that I want to make my time productive on board, because I want to also have skills in things outside of what I'm doing. And then the marine time school is just another adding on to my lifeguard training, and then things of that. But I'm going to be doing that after my first contract. And I will still be doing online schooling with WGU, just because it makes sense, because I'm not going to campus with that. And then, but I will be doing doing the campus with the Maritime Institute. I just don't know how that would work. I know that I'm going to be gone for a while at home, but I still want to have my base here in Virginia, just because it's somewhere where I know, and then maybe I would move somewhere else. I don't know, maybe Boston. I don't fucking know, but I don't want to jump to a new place where I don't know, because I don't have a plan, and I still want to work the jobs that I do like here. And yeah, so that's why like I want to stay in Virginia, because like I really love well, as you know, with history and everything, with Jamestown being in Williamsburg and things like that, I do like that area. Not specifically Jamestown, but I do love Colonial Williamsburg, and so that is where my future may be. I just really kind of don't see myself moving anywhere else, but I see myself traveling more and then coming back home, and then because like I can't. The only other place is New York, but New York is cold and expensive, and I'm already tired of the fucking cold. But at least like with Virginia, it's only cold at least the most three months out of the year, right? But this winter has been fucking ridiculous. Like, it's, even though like in 2016 we had a summer, we used to have summers and winter shit, but we had 2016 we had the whole month of January off of school, and that was like my freshman year. Was it 2016 or was it 2014? It was my freshman year. No, what year was that? When we had a whole, I think it was 2016. But I thought it was in my earlier years in high school where we had that. But I think it was my senior year. I'm just mind boggled because like I looked young, so I thought it was my freshman year, but it was my senior year. Was it my senior? No, it was my freshman year. It was my freshman year of high school. I think that was like 2013 or something like that. Yeah, it was my freshman year of high school, because like I had the flu like right beforehand, like right at the end of December. So like it was my freshman year, I think. I don't fucking remember. But anyways, but yeah, it was because I was pissed that whole time too because of that, and then everybody kept saying like, you want to go to Busch Gardens? I was just like, I'm fucking sick. Do you want the flu? And then the nerve, when I got better, they'd be like, oh, I'm busy. Like, the fuck? You was asking me when I was damn near dying if I wanted to go. Now that I'm fucking better, you're busy? Be fucking for real, people. Okay? Like, the audacity, right? But, I want to, whatever. Well, for the future, I know that I do want to move after my contract. So I'm hoping that my contract would be like, my end of my contract would be like end of July. If I'm starting March, April, May, June, July. Yeah, it's going to be July. And then I still have like a month. So I'll be working between my lifeguarding jobs, and then I'll have money, I'll move. And then, because right now what I'm doing is like on Amazon is that like I'm saving stuff, like furniture and stuff, whereas like I'm not, all clueless of, I don't know what to get. So I have, the one thing that I need when I move is storage, because I have zero fucking storage here. And so I'm gonna get a new bed. I'm thinking about bringing this mattress because it is still new, but I don't know, because I think I want to upgrade to a king, because I've been a queen my whole life. Well, not my whole life, but I want a king, but we'll see. But I may keep this mattress because it's still good. But I want to, for the meantime, because like I'm going to be like freshly moving out, I will keep my mattress just because it's still good, and then I can later decide if I want a new one or not. But right now it's not really a main priority for me to do that, because my main priority is I need a new bed frame, which I saved, and yeah, I'm gonna get up the trash because I do have a lot of trash. But I just wanted to talk about just that stuff. But also like I am wanting just to be more independent of myself, and then like I talked about too is that I want a stable and healthy place for me to be in with my, what the fuck? I can't do shit right. I'm sorry. I want to be able to like, be free and not having, because I don't have the best relationship with my mother, and that's her fault of all the shit that she said to me and everything. I don't want no rekindling, no healing, no nothing. I want nothing to do with her when I move. And so I just want to be on my own and be happy. But I know how to cook, so I'll be fine with that. Like, I'm not like an expert of cooking, but at least like when I have my own place, I'm able to make things and things like that. But y'all see, because I'm going to be vlogging on my contract and all of that, and you'll see I'll be vlogging on my school journey as well too, so it's not really much of, I'm not going to show you, but I like to, because I'm not your regular lifestyle girly, and so like I want to, because my main focus is just like my career goals and my career growth. And so, like, I want to share, like, if I could get shit together, I want to share that, like, you don't need to be in this particular bubble that you need to be this influencer, where you can just simply live your life, right? And I'm not trying to be an influencer whatsoever. I really want to start my business, and this is the best way that I can do this as well. I already have a career that I'm helping with people. I'm a lifeguard, and things like that. But my main thing that I'm doing now is like I'm getting my deep guard. I'm already shallow, but deep guarding is fucking shit because I have to do this damn brick test. I'm having my brick test on the 20th, and I'm better with swimming with my laps and stuff. But I'm still overthinking my break, even though I shouldn't, because I've done it before. But it's like with feet guard, it's a little bit more trickier because it is in 9 foot. Whereas like for shallow, you don't swim on your back. You just you run back to the shallow end. But with feet guard, you have to swim on your back with the brick to the shallow. And so tomorrow I have swim lessons. So I think before I'm gonna just try to practice with swimming on my back with the brick and see where it can go from there. That way, like, I can be good with everything. My dragon had lost its sword for a while. I have to clean it, but not right now. So yeah, I could put this in here so that I have to go to Whole Foods. I can't speak Whole Foods to return it. So I'm going to return my thing, and I'm getting my money back. And yeah. I need to and I'm trying to keep up with my room with cleaning too, because I don't want to have like a big mess when I do have my contract and my leave date, where all I'm worrying about is really packing, which I don't have a lot to pack anyways because I've been ready since May. So fuck. So I'm just vibing and waiting because I don't have long. At least I finally have some communication. Whereas they prefer where I don't have a long wait. So that gives me some time. That's why with the estimate, I know I should have at least most of March. It's because I don't have a long wait to go. So that's at least a good sign, I'm almost there, But it's still I really don't like these washcloths at all. This is dirty, so I'm gonna throw it away. It's fine. Don't yell at me in the comments. It's my money and I can do whatever I fucking want with it. But yeah. Other than that, things are legit. I really do like my workplace. From what I am used to. Because the other place I was working at, even though I still like it, is a little bit toxic. But I mean, not everywhere you go is not gonna be perfect. So you can't say oh, it's toxic, blah 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 blah. But I mean, it is what it is. So I know I'm gonna have to take off a couple of years of scare acting, as much as I hate it. But my main focus is my career, and I don't want to keep waiting on, or pausing on something when it's not giving me no benefit, right? So I am going to pause on that because I found it. I found what I want to do, and yeah, and it's just simple as that. So I'm gonna just shut up and I'll clean up my room. Oh, finish cleaning my room now, but I just got shit to do. Normally my videos aren't that long, but I mean, it's whatever. It doesn't take as long as it normally did, but I started late today because I was just so tired. And then, being it cold, the washing machine kept pausing and everything. So that's that. But everything is good. Everything's fine. Other than that, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.